How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I want to go over how to attach our 360-degree suction cup bracket with our visor for our striker and virtue deck and dash lights. So for example here, I went ahead and attached the 360-degree suction cup bracket and the visor on this side here. And for example, I'll go ahead and do the install on this side. So the first step here is to take off your original end cap that you'll have on your striker or virtue, and you'll want to replace that with the end cap and the visor attachment piece that come in your 360-degree suction cup mounting kit. Now you'll take your end cap and then the visor piece sits on it just like that, and then you'll take that and then install that on the side with your longer screws that again will come in your kit with your 360-degree suction cup bracket. So let me go ahead and install that real quick. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and attach your attachment piece for your suction cups. Now this is the piece that will hold your suction cups as you see here, and that will attach via the big bolt that you'll have again in your kit with your lock washer and your washer here. So I'll go ahead and get that installed. Now once you have that installed, you can go ahead and insert your suction cups into the insertion pieces here. So I'll take my suction cup and just insert it like so. And then I'll take my other suction cup and insert that one as well. I'll turn it so you can see it here. And then once you do that, you'll also have two small screws. Well, you'll have four total, two for each side. And you'll want to take those small screws and insert them in the back of your suction cup to hold it on the bracket like you see here. So let me go ahead and install those two screws. Now once you have your suction cups installed, you can go ahead and insert your small screws here on the side of your visor bracket that will hold your visor in place. So let me go ahead and turn it around here, and again those screws will go in here and you'll have 6 total. So I'll take these 3 and I'll install them in the side here. Now once you've done that, you have your visor and your 360-degree suction cups attached. And again, these mounts are perfect if you need to rotate your suction cups 360 degrees, and you can also use this bracket as an L bracket mount as well. And for example here, I brought our Striker 2 in our amber color combination, but again, we offer our Striker and Virtue series in our single and dual color in TIR, or our multicolor linear in amber, red, blue, green, and clear for any application. Make sure to check out the product pages for our product demos, our flash pattern videos, and also our interactive players as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.